Welcome to my channel. Today we're exploring the diverse and stunning landscapes of South Africa. From vibrant cities and breathtaking coastlines to wildlife adventures and cultural experiences, South Africa offers a wealth of travel opportunities. Let's dive into the 10 best places to visit in this incredible country. 1. Cape Town. Cape Town is a city of spectacular scenery and vibrant culture. Take the cable car up Table Mountain for panoramic views of the city and coastline. Stroll through the V&A waterfront for shopping and dining, or explore the historic Robben Island where Nelson Mandela was imprisoned. Don't miss the beautiful beaches of Clifton and Camps Bay. 2. Kruger National Park. Kruger National Park is one of Africa's largest game reserves, renowned for its diverse wildlife. Go on a safari to spot the Big Five: lion, leopard, elephant, buffalo, and rhino. The park offers various accommodation options, from luxury lodges to campgrounds. Enjoy guided game drives and bushwalks to experience the park's natural beauty. 3. Johannesburg. Johannesburg, South Africa's largest city, is a vibrant hub of culture and history. Visit the Apartheid Museum for an in-depth look at South Africa's history. Explore the Soweto neighbourhood, known for its significant role in the struggle against apartheid. The Meboneng precinct offers a lively arts and dining scene with galleries and street markets. 4. Durban. Durban is known for its beautiful beaches and warm subtropical climate. Enjoy the golden sands of Durban beachfront and the lively atmosphere of the Golden Mile. Visit Ushaka Marine World for family-friendly fun, or explore the Victoria Street Market for vibrant spices and local crafts. Durban's diverse cultural influences add to its unique charm. 5. Stellenbosch. Stellenbosch is a picturesque town in the heart of South Africa's wine country. Explore the charming streets lined with Cape Dutch architecture and enjoy wine tastings at world-class wineries. Visit Stellenbosch University and its beautiful botanical gardens. The town's restaurants offer delicious local cuisine paired with excellent wines. 6. Pretoria, the administrative capital of South Africa. Pretoria offers a blend of historical and natural attractions. Visit the Union Buildings, home to South Africa's government, and explore the National Zoological Gardens. The Pretoria Botanical Gardens showcase diverse plant species, and the Voortrekker Monument offers insights into the country's pioneer history. 7. Garden Route. The Garden Route is a scenic drive along South Africa's southern coast, known for its diverse landscapes. Highlights include the Knysna Heads, beautiful lagoons, and the Tsitsikamma National Park, where you can enjoy forest hikes and bungee jumping off the Bluekrans Bridge. The route offers stunning coastal views and charming towns like Plettenberg Bay. 8. Cape Winelands. The Cape Winelands region, near Cape Town, is renowned for its picturesque vineyards and excellent wine. Explore towns like Franschhoek and Paarl, known for their wine estates and gourmet dining. Visit the historic Huguenot Memorial Museum in Franschhoek and enjoy scenic drives through lush vineyards and charming villages. 9. Blyde River Canyon. Blyde River Canyon, one of the largest canyons in the world, offers dramatic landscapes and stunning viewpoints. Visit the Three Rondavels and God's Window for breathtaking views of the canyon and surrounding areas. Enjoy hiking trails and scenic drives through this beautiful natural wonder, known for its lush vegetation and unique rock formations. 10. Hermanus. Hermanus is renowned for its excellent whale watching opportunities. From June to November, you can spot southern right whales close to shore. The town also offers beautiful coastal walks and beaches. Visit the Hermanus Whale Festival for a celebration of marine life and enjoy the town's quaint shops and restaurants. Thanks for joining our tour of South Africa's top 10 destinations. We hope you enjoyed discovering these amazing places. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel content. Share your favorite South African destination in the comments below. See you on our next adventure.